Agarwal, student of grade 5. So today I am going to do two science experiments. So the first one is the bubble one. I will show you as it is. So I took 3 plastic straws. One, the normal, second, which has petals, and the third, the slanted part. So I'm going to show you the first one, that is the as it is. So let me take liquid soap and then slowly lift it and then blow it. See it. See, it gave very small bubble. Now I'm going to show you the slanted one. See, it gave you little bit bigger. Now let me try with the petal one. Let me try once again. You know why it gave large bubble? Because the petal one can store soap in it so that it can blow large bubbles. Now I will start with the second experiment. Now I will show the ingredients of the second one. So I cutted the bottle from the cap. If you have a small bottle, you can cut it 5 centimeters from the cap, and if you have a big bottle, you can cut it 10 centimeters from the cap. So I cut it. You don't need the bottom part of the bottle, just the top. So the bottom part. So you have to take this and then make a hole in it. I will show you what to do for this. Let's keep this aside. Now you need 2 rubber bands and you have to cut the bottle 1 centimeter on all the 4 sides. Now you have to keep the rubber. Now I am putting the rubber. You can attach the thread on one of the rubber, but the rubber with the thread should be on the top and with knot should be on the bottom. So now so you need a bead with the thread again, and you have to join the thread with the bead. Now I am putting the cap here and I will keep this on the other side of the cap. Now after you attached it, you have to keep the cap on just like this, and then you have to tie the bead with the thread, but you have to check it if it is stiff or not. So you need a ping pong ball and keep it here so that it can launch. See, I am showing you once again. See, it launched. Again I am showing you. Wait. See, it has launched. You know why? Because the power of the thread and the rubber can launch the ball. See. Thank you all. That is all about my science experiments.